Day 5. What's going on, guys? So, we got all this back here, except for there. This is what I'm going to tackle today. That side, and pray that transom's okay. And we got all this yesterday. All down there. I know I need to grind that down, because look at how thick that is. I mean, it's almost a repaired something, because it is insanely thick right over here. And then it's thin there, and then thin up there. And then we got all the way up there. Here. Let's open this. And all the way down here. That's about as far as I can get before I start tearing up the hole with that, but I think that's pretty good. You can see that right down there. Tell me how that looks, I guess. I mean, I gotta make it a floor, but I'm gonna grind as much as I possibly can off of there, which is the fun part of doing this whole job, I heard. Oh, and that's pretty much it, really. Today I'm gonna do that side and that side, and hopefully those boards are okay, which they probably aren't, and the other ones on the other side are okay. Yeah, I'm not really wanting to pull my motor out and have to redo the transom, but if it comes down to that, then it comes down to it. I got a buddy who's got a cherry picker, so. Anywho, this is a pretty quick one, because I'm getting ready to start hacking away before it gets to 106 degrees today. So, oh, question. How do you get that off? I want to pull this whole thing off. I got it all unscrewed, but I can't get that off. I've got these all unscrewed here. I unscrewed them in here, most of those, but they're not really holding it on. Those there. Oh, and that side, these guys right here are basically not really holding on either. And I just can't get it to come off. I don't know. So, if you guys got any pointers of how getting the throttle off, that'd be great, because I like to remove this right here, because I'm going to tear all this carpet out. I don't want that carpet in there either. Alright, thanks guys, appreciate it.